Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Tecno phone guys Wi-Fi full setting. How to use Wi-Fi setting on Tecno mobile. One by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, first of all open your Tecno phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your mobile. Friends, click on Wi-Fi setting and on your Wi-Fi. After on Wi-Fi, refresh your Wi-Fi setting, and friends you want to add any network. Friends, click here add network setting, and you can add network, you can connect. So friends, you can connect from here. So friends, select your nearby Wi-Fi network. Friends, I have this Mukesh Wi-Fi, and friends I will enter this Mukesh Wi-Fi password. So friends, enter your Wi-Fi password. After enter password, connect option, click here, and friends Wi-Fi network will connect on your device, and friends easily you can use this Wi-Fi network on your mobile. Example friends, we will on YouTube app. Friends, after connect Wi-Fi network we can use YouTube app on our device. And friends, you want to disconnect Wi-Fi network, so friends click here, press here. Friends, you can see disconnect option, we can disconnect from here. After disconnect friends, you cannot use this Wi-Fi network on your Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to use, so again you will have to click here, and then friends you can connect automatic this Wi-Fi on your device. And friends, you want to check your Wi-Fi performance setting, and friends you want to check your Wi-Fi data uses. Friends, you can check your Wi-Fi data uses, and you can change date also. From here you can select date and you can check. And once you want to check saved network once you want to check, so you can check from here. And once you want to share this Wi-Fi network, so when nearby device you can share this Wi-Fi network. And once you want to forget this network, once you don't want to this network, so once you can forget. After forget once we cannot use this Wi-Fi network again on a device. Friends, if you use, so again friends you will have to enter password, same password again, enter your Wi-Fi password, and friends you can connect again on your device. One, two, three, four friends. So friends, again I will connect this network. Connect option. Friends, you can see Wi-Fi network will connect. And friends, you want to pair any Wi-Fi network with QR code, you can pay. You can scan QR code and you can connect on your device. So friends, I will forget. I will not use this Wi-Fi network. I will off it. So like that friends, we can use Wi-Fi setting on Tecno mobile. So bye friends. Thanks for watching the video guys.